Knockoutrusi. What are we going to do today? I'm going to do jackfruit biryani. Jackfruit, in the sense, I'm going to use the small baby raw jackfruit. And I'm going to teach you how to make this. And the vegetarians, especially people who haven't tasted mutton, who haven't tasted a non-veg biryani, if they eat this, they are going to love it and they will know how it is to have a non-veg biryani. So let's get into it. It's a laborious job, but you will love doing it. So let's get into the biryani. Now I have a small jackfruit here. I have some oil and I'm going to show you how to clean this and cut this to make our biryani. Okay. So first I have taken off this head part and now I'll apply some oil to the knife. So I'm applying some oil to the knife and just hold this and we'll have to slice this away. Okay. So now we have to make it into big chunks like how we do a chicken or mutton. Take off the middle stem. So I slice the entire thing like this. So now we are ready. First we will slightly boil the jackfruit before we go to do the biryani. I add in some water, little bit of water. About 10 grams of ginger garlic paste. A pinch of turmeric powder. Little bit of half teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of salt, about 3 to 4 cloves, 3 elaichi, and some spice, cinnamon sticks, and 1 bay leaf. Now I'll add in these into this and give it a quick boil, maybe 1 whistle. So we'll give it one whistle and we should be okay with that. Half kg of basmati rice, 200 grams of onion sliced, 150 grams of tomato, 100 grams of oil, 50 grams of ghee, 15 grams of pudina and 15 grams of coriander chopped into pieces, 60 ml of curd, 3 green chilli, 50 grams of ginger, 50 grams of garlic made into paste, about 4 grams of elaichi and 1.5 grams of other spices, that is lavang, cinnamon and 1 star anise, 4 grams of red chili powder and 1 gram of turmeric powder, and 15 grams of salt. This will go into the biryani, and 17 grams of salt with the bay leaf, which will go into the water when it is boiling for the rice. And I need half a lemon for this and quarter of lemon to go into the water. So you follow the procedure carefully and get the measurements. I'll tell the measurements again so you can follow it carefully. Now one whistle is gone. I switched off the fire. Let's see how it is cooked. So now let's open our cooker and let's see. It's cooked perfectly well. Yeah, it's cooked well. So now we are ready to go. So this is how it is. So let this be here. Now let me, that's my biryani pot. And now this is the pan for the rice. So let's get this going. Before that, now I'll have this rice soaked for 10 minutes. So now the pan is on. I add in the oil. So the oil is hot. I'm adding the spices. Now it's roasted. I add the onions, chopped onions. This has to be really fried well, so golden brown. I've kept the water here for boiling and I've soaked the rice. The rice has to be soaked for 10 minutes. Now the onion is cooked well, and I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. And I'll tell you a tip: when we are doing the ginger garlic paste, please add the salt so it will not stick to the bottom. So now the ginger garlic paste is also fried nicely. I'm adding the chopped coriander and pudina leaves, and I leave a little bit here to use for the water, boiling water for the rice. So now this has to fry well. So this is fried nicely. I add in the green chilies now. Now I'll add in the lime. That's half a lime. I'm adding in the curd. I'm adding the chili powder and the tomatoes. Now this has to fry well. I'll leave it closed for a few minutes. So I've kept it closed for some time. Now let me see. Yeah, the tomato is well cooked. And I add in the cooked jackfruit to it. And I add in the ghee. Along with the soup which I got from boiling the jackfruit, I'll add about 500 ml of water. So I add in the water now. So let this boil. The rice is soaked now, and let's drain the rice. Let this also boil. Yeah. So the rice, the water is boiling perfectly well. Now I add in this little bit of coriander and pudina which I have. I'm adding this into the water. I'm adding the balance salt and a bay leaf here. And half a lemon. And then the rice into this. So let this boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. So let's check. The rice should be ready by now. Yeah, it's almost cooked. I'll have to drain it now. And let me check this. And this also, the masala is ready. So just give me a minute. I'll strain this and come. The rice has cooked. Maybe another 1 minute to go. So the rice is well cooked and ready. I'm going to put it into this. I need a little bit of more water. So now we are ready to go for the dum. I'll use little bit of orange red color just to give it a tinge of orange and the balance ghee into this. And take a clean white cloth, wet it properly, put it on top of this, put the lid tightly. That's how I do my dum. One tap on that, and this is a big bowl of hot water on top of this. And now we go 4 minutes on the high. Now 4 minutes high is over. I'm putting it on 4 minutes sim. So 4 minutes high was over, 4 minutes sim was over. Now again 1 minute on the high flame, switch it off, and after 20 minutes we'll see how our biryani has turned out. So we are ready. We are going to see how our biryani is. Oh. Wow. Oh my God, what a flavor. Can you see this? Exactly like mutton biryani. See the texture? You're all just going to love this. The vegetarians can just freak out. The vegetarians can freak out with this and have fun. So let me show you how it is going to be. So that's our chakka biryani for you. And I have my onion raita. So this is how it is. So you have seen how to make this jackfruit biryani. Friends, all of you, please try this, and definitely I need all your comments in my comment box. And people who have not subscribed, please subscribe for my channel. This is Patricia signing out from Knockoutrusi. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you all soon in another exciting recipe. Bye bye.